Hey, how's it going guys? Ganesh here. In today's video, we are going to tell you how to remove this rear seat bench. You'll have to remove this in case you want to do some intense cleaning, you want to take it to your home, or if you want to access the LPFP, the low pressure fuel pump. The fuel pump which is inserted inside the fuel tank assembly is called the LPFP, and we're going to show you how to do that. This does not require any tools, so here's how it's done. You need to take your seat up and tilt it down. You have two of these locks here. These can be removed. That's all. Just take it home and do whatever you want to, or in case you want to access the low pressure fuel pump, which is right here. You'll have to remove this seat. We'll make a separate video on how to access the LPFP which is inside the fuel tank. But for now, that's all. So for replacing the seat bench back, all you need to do is insert the arm locking inside this clamp here. This is basically a one-man job, but nothing like a helping hand. That's all. Tilt the seat bench back and press it down to sit. Isn't that easy? That's all guys. Thank you for watching guys. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and give me a subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.